Hey there, I'm going to show you quickly just kind of a recap of our Zoom that I did in class already of how to find your assignments. So go to your Katie Cloud and then go to Canvas, which looks like you've already figured out how to do. Sorry, it's going slow. So really the only place that you need to go to and where you need to find your assignments we talked about opens up to your dashboard. Any class that you've been assigned to will show up here. Go to your 5th Jinx challenge. This is like knocking on the door of the classroom, so open the classroom door. And I'm going to go to student view so it shows you what you should be seeing. Okay, so most important here on your menu is going to be home, assignments, and modules. Modules, everything is linked in there. You're going to also find it just by going to 5th. You can click either one of these, they're both linked, as well as your logic puzzle for the week. Logic puzzle answers will be posted the following week, so they'll be posted next week with this week's answers. So in order to find your assignments, I've linked our Symbaloo, which is all of our links that we use in class, so it's right there for you. This is the lesson from last week. This is the lesson from this week, April 6th through 9th, and this is where you submit your assignment. So when you click on this, your assignment comes up. You can also click on this link, so you can pop it out. It goes into just a Google Doc. You can also print it from here. So go through all of these assignments and steps. All of the tasks up into this point, you do not need to turn in and show me. And the only thing that you're required to turn in is going to be your reflection. And this week you had a choice of which one you wanted to do. And you will then go back to your modules or home, either way. Once I've done that and I've understood and I've selected my assignment, I'm ready to turn it in. I'm going to click 5th grade submit. I've already shown this so that it says resubmit. So this is where you would see to make sure that you have it successfully submitted. For the first time though, sorry, I was going to try to reset it so you could see what it looks like. So I'm going to my submit reflection. It'll say submit assignment at the top. You're going to submit by using a text entry box, a media recording, or a file upload. Those are your 3 choices. Down here, this is where you would upload your answer. If you did it on a Word doc or you did a Google slide or something like that, you just choose that from your file on your computer. This is a text entry where you can just type in here. Okay, you have all the Word tools here that you normally would have. And then media, this is here where you could record a video and talk. When you get to each section or whatever you're going to submit, or if you submit more than one, make sure you click submit assignment each time. That'll automatically send it to me and it'll tell me when you submitted it. Right here you'll look back in a few days after I've had a chance to look at it, and I'll provide you some feedback, asking you some questions or maybe giving you some pointers of things to improve or to work on. So that's it. That's all you need to do. So really just home, go to your Jaguar head, go to your modules, go to your lesson, and then go to your submit reflection. Hope that helps. Also, I just wanted to mention that if you do go back to home here, I did link another video for everyone to look at right here. If you're not sure how to submit assignments, you can watch the video again here, as well as the one I'm sending you now.